Welcome to BBL. Let's learn about farm animals. Let's find out who lives on the farm. Can you guess the animal by its shape and sound? This is a sheep. It gives us wool to make clothes. This is a cow. A cow gives us milk. This is a pig. Pigs love playing in the mud. Did you get the answer correct? This is a chicken. Chickens lay eggs. I'm sure you got this answer correct. This is a horse. A horse lives on a farm and it can run very fast. This is a goat. Did you get the answer correct? Goats like to climb and jump. This is a donkey. Did you get the answer correct? Well done. This is a duck. Ducks love to swim. This is a dog. Sometimes dogs can live on a farm. They help by keeping the sheep together. This is a rooster. It makes the sound cock-a-doodle-doo. It wakes everyone up early. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos.